Good morning, everybody. So let's quickly get started. So good morning, everybody. Let's get started. So today, November 7th, we are having a whole lot of high impact news from 1 p.m. down to 8 p.m. So first 1 p.m. For pounds, we are going to talk about their interest rates. Today, also monetary policy summary and Bank of England monetary policy report. So by 1:30, we experience high volatility in pounds, also from 1 to 1:30. And by 2:30 p.m. also today, we'll be having unemployment claims. Okay, we'll be having unemployment claims by 2:30 this afternoon. Then by 8 p.m. at night, 8 p.m., we will be having FOMC. So a whole lot of fundamentals today. Yesterday it was U.S. election. Today, FOMC fund rate. So the forecast is 4.75, meaning that there's going to be an interest cut for the month of October, right? For the month of October. So they're expecting 4.75, and anything below 4.75 would lead to massive bearish sentiment for US dollar. But anything above it would also serve as bullish sentiment. Although interest rate is just kind of trickish because it's a way of curbing inflation in the United States of America. So it's just like when the interest rate is being reduced, a lot of people will have access to loans, and also they will have an opportunity to save, pay back their loans and all that. So interest rate cut might also have a lot of volatilities also in the market. So what we are just doing is from 1 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. today is going to be a busy market for pounds and for dollars. So those are trading GBP USD or anything that has dollar. You also need to trade with caution. Okay, so let's go to what our chart is saying. Let's go to what our chart is saying. Can you all see my chart? Can you all see my chart? Okay, so this is my chart. Dollar indices, we are still at this resistance zone on higher time frame. We are still at this resistance zone. And for daily time frame also, we have a massive rejection. The yesterday candle closes with a rejection at 105.470, 105.06079 region. So after a strong bullish sentiment, that was the effect of the news that came up from the election from United States, right? So from the election, as Donald Trump emerges the winner of US election. So we are looking towards bullishness for dollar, right? And this down move, I think, is just a retracement, hopefully a retracement down to this zone before we have buyers coming in on board. So we could see probably retracement down to this level, or market could literally want to cover up this gap, right? So if this gap is being covered, then we can now wait for a higher low to be formed before moving to the upside. And if it does not, probably if it breaks, then it means that reversal will occur, because once market break this low, we now have a change of character or a reversal pattern on higher time frame. Then we look for retracement and start selling. So those are the important levels that those are what we are envisaging. But currently the market is literally bearish, and it has formed a reversal pattern only for this zone. Let us check if this zone will be broken. This zone, and if this low is broken, then we wait for a proper retracement before we sell USDX. Okay, so What we are looking for, it's market has created a higher low. We need a break of the structure and also a break of this major low. So once this major low is broken, then we can now have a pullback before we sell, before we sell, before we sell dollar indices. So we have a pullback from here before we sell dollar indices, right? So let's see what will happen in the market before we sell dollar indices. This is an head and shoulder pattern on 15 minutes, showing that there's a reversal coming on board, but we need a proper retracement to validate that reversal. Okay, so let's go to USD JPY. So on a daily time frame for USD JPY, we also are looking towards a rejection or probably in form of a retracement as market rejected this zone. You can see these rejections from this broken support levels. These support levels are broken and market cut to this level, then started moving to the downside. Is this a proper sell? We never can tell. We never can tell because market is still at this resistance. So we need, if there is going to be a rejection, probably market could reject to that level before we move to the upside. So this level is what we are waiting for. This level is what we are waiting for. And we could see market movement to the downside. So probably a rejection will lead to probably continuations to the upside, or market continues and move down to this support level, which is around 151.690 region. So we are currently in the retracement phase. Reversal has not been spotted on 4 hours time frame. So let's go to 1 hour for USD JPY. The 1 hour time frame also is still the same. We've not broken this 1 hour low, so we still need to be patient for what will happen at the very least. So once we have a break of structure or a market breaks this 1 hour low, our best bet is to look at 152.908 region. So once you look at 152.908 region and we realize that market rejected that level and probably created an engulfing candle pattern, we can take our short buy up to 154.675. Can take our short buy up to 154.675. But if markets rejected at this level also, 153.580 region, then we can also take our short buy. So markets is currently, USJPY is currently bearish. We could say it's a retracement phase, because though we have breakout one, so multiple breakout around here, but we never can tell what will happen before the New York election. I mean, before the New York session or the London session opens. Okay, we are currently at London session opens currently. Okay, so let's see. We are still pulling down. There is no entry at the moment, no entry spotted. Probably we could see a rejection or retracement up to this resistance, this level. Then we can now decide to see if we are going to sell or not. Okay, so we still need to be very, very patient dealing with this before market moves to the downside. Okay, so that is that for USD JPY. So let's go to Euro USD. So Euro USD yesterday, we had a rejection on this market. We had market reject this low yesterday, and we are seeing some bullish sentiment as well. If I'm to follow the signal, if I'm to follow, I said the signal, if I'm to follow the pattern, then it means that we are currently waiting for a retracement or probably markets moving to the downside because the momentum is still bearish. The momentum is still very, very bearish, and we look towards rejecting at 1.07890. So let's look at 1.07890 to see if you are going to have sellers coming in on board. Although market has also created something here that might literally happen. So we could have this market come to this level. Could have something like this, market tap, retrace and move to the upside. Or market will start and continue its downward movement. So, sorry about that. So for the current moment, we are looking towards market moving to the upside as a retracement for 4 hours time frame. But we never can tell. Reversal has not been spotted. Reversal has not been visible. So we still need more patience in this very market. Okay, so 15 minutes time frame. Let's see what will happen in this very market as um, head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder pattern has occurred, and that is why we are still moving to the upside. So let's see, because the trend is still bearish, we are still in a bearish market, except this move creates a higher low. So if the move creates a higher low, probably around this zone, then we can now consider buying for a longer time. Probably our TP will be at 1.08865 if you want to buy. But then we cannot say, particularly because we have a resistance still at this top. So market can tap into this resistance, this resistance at 1.07804, this zone, and start moving to the downside. So we still need more patience. And also the result of US election yesterday is still in place. So we still have to be very, 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 very patient while dealing with the market. Okay, so this is gold. So what are we having on gold? Gold became bearish yesterday, and we have sellers fully in the market yesterday. And what we are looking at around here, we are seeing market sentiment, and we hope for a retracement to come in on board. So this could either be a retracement or probably a total reversal. We never can tell, but market is at this daily demand zone or daily support level. Okay, so we could literally see sort of retracements, then move to the downside. Just like what I said, this is also a very, very key level zone. And market can also reject this zone too. And once we see a possible rejection at that level, we should sell gold. So let's be patient to see what gold would give us. Okay, so we are having a break of this structure, and we just still need a proper retracement or a retest before we still enter into the market. This, right? So we have a break, we don't see the market pull up a little bit, then retest it, then we can now buy gold fully. Okay, so let's still be patient to see what we happen for gold at the current moment. AUD/USD also is posing some bullish sentiment. We are seeing some buyers, couple of buyers for AUD/USD. We are seeing some buyers for AUD/USD. On the daily time frame. So we have market rejecting this zone. So we have market rejecting this level for hours time frame. Okay, so currently AUD/USD is at a resistance. We hope to wait for a proper retracement before we continue buying AUD/USD because AUD/USD has shown us a reversal pattern has been confirmed for this level And if you look at line chart, let me see. So a reversal pattern has been spotted for AUD Yeah, so a reversal pattern has been spotted for AUD So we will continue bullish for AUD but we hope to wait for a retracement, and also AUD is on a very, very strong resistance zone. So if you look at it, this resistance zone is what some SMC guys call liquidity. It took out liquidity, break out this structure, and now market is already there. So once you have market break this demand zone, then probably retracement, you can sell down to 0.65670 region. Okay. So once you have that, you can sell down to 0.65670 region. But everything still points down that we should be very, very patient in the market. I mean, I would have loved us to take a thorough sell, right? But then we don't just need to hop into the market um, without having proper confirmation. Okay, support become resistant, and we're hoping to see a proper retracement, hopefully at this zone. 1 hour time frame. They are still bearish. I mean, USCHL is giving us a good bearish move, but we still need to wait for a proper retracement before selling, because it's not good for us to sell at a support level. So we wait for markets to get to a resistance zone before we take a sell on USCHL. You are a newbie. Okay, Mr. Charlotte. I don't know if you're a man or a female. You are welcome. This is an analysis class, and I would just advise you, probably if you can locate our physical office in Lagos and Abuja, you can also get the or next week Thursday we are going to start our boot camp from beginners to advanced session. So you can also join online class where we teach you basics to advance of trading in the financial market. So you're welcome. We are giving insights. This is what we do every day, Monday to Friday, morning and afternoon. Okay, so what are we doing? Let's look at USD, I mean, CAD JPY. CAD JPY, GBP JPY. You've done GBP USD, Mr. Michael. Did we? Oh, okay, we've not. I'm coming. Okay, so we could see a reduced momentum for GBP JPY. This 4 hours resistance zone. My bias will have been bearish, but we still need a proper rejection or a proper break before we look towards selling GBP JPY. So we still need a proper patience. And don't forget that there is news by 1 p.m. for GBP pairs. So we still need a lot of patience, even though there's sellers undertone around here because market rejected at this level of resistance. So we still need more push to the downside. We still need more push to the downside, right? Oh, okay. I think the network. I think it's the network. Okay, sorry. See, I was analyzing this, right? So we still need more push to the downside. Okay, so we have the market break this level and also this level has been broken. Well, I would have said we should take a sell stop order for GBP JPY. Hopefully, we could take a sell stop around here. So let's see. I would just say we should wait. I would have loved us to take sell stop below here because once price breaks this low, we target this next one. But let's just hold on to see what will happen. We could also look towards a resistance at this zone, right? So two things might literally happen. Either market continues selling or we tested this level. But either way, we could still say we are bullish. I mean, we are bearish if this low is broken. So we need this low to be broken. Once it is broken, then our sellers has been confirmed. Then we wait for a retracement. Then we sell down to 193.345. Should I drop a sell signal? Okay, so once this market closes bearish, then we can take off selling. But at the moment, let's just ignore GBP JPY. The last one is CAD JPY. I think all pairs, all pound pairs are literally um moving in the same directions. Okay, so also the same thing for CAD JPY. Also the same thing for CAD JPY. We are at this resistance. We are at this resistance 4 hours time frame. Also, we need a proper break of market movement sentiment before we take over ourselves. We can't just take a sell now, it will be too aggressive. So we need a break at this low. We need a break at this low. Once market break this low, then we can wait for a proper retracement and enter into the market. So once you have a break here, then wait for a proper retracement, then we sell down. Okay, so we still need more patience for what is happening in the market. Okay, so CAD JPY, we still wait. We are a little patient and we are waiting for a proper sell. Okay, we are waiting for a proper sell. What I'm looking at is, I would have said we should take an outright sell for CAD JPY, but we still need this low to be broken. So this low needs to be broken before we could confirm a proper sell, or probably market retest this resistance before we take our sell. So we wait for market to be there. Yes, that's what I'm saying. I'm scared the neckline zone is the support. Yeah, that's what I said. It needs to be broken. Once this zone is broken, then we confirm our sell entry. Okay, so that's that this morning. Thank you very much for your time. We'll see you in the afternoon during the New York session. Don't forget, today is our advanced class. If you're in Abuja, we wait for you at our office there at number 50 Abitu Kiwe Street, where we analyze and we also train more. And if you're in Lagos, you can go to number 54 Adeniyi Jones, Ikeja. The name of the building is Agos Plaza. you also see us there where we do our analysis and all that. Okay, so next week Thursday we are going to start our boot camp from Thursdays to Sunday. We have boot camp every day online. So if you are not online, I mean if you're not available for physical class, you can join online and also learn how to trade and the financial market. We are still monitoring signals this morning. Once there are proper entry, we are going to drop the signals. And as you all know, for our funded client group, we are making we are dropping high profitable, high probability setup. We don't just drop signal anyhow, we drop on high probability setup. So have a wonderful trading session, everybody. Good morning.
Good morning. Have a nice day.
Hello, good morning, please.
Good morning.
Please, where do you normally drop signal?
It's on our funded client group.
Okay.
Are you not on our
Okay,
funded client group? Who's that?
This is Mr. Casey.
Okay, are you not on our funded client group?
I have an account, but I have not funded
Okay,
it.
to try and fund so you can be added to the funded client group. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you.